came from Moses. Wat die Bijbel sê hier ons, dat die gebed van Moses op Psalm 90 werk in jy, applicable is, relevant is. Halleluja. Dat die woord van Moses, die gebed van Moses, werk in jy, relevant is. Hallelujah. Blessed be the name of the Lord this morning. En Moses kom voor aangezicht van die Here aan gebed. Halleluja. Want zonder gebed is het een moeilijke zaak. Wanneer die nie binnen is nie. Hy sê die woord van die Here. Waak en bid. Waak en bid. Laat die dinge van die wereld jou gooi weer. Nie jou opgooi nie. Maar wanneer die waak en bid en jy staan te bly aan die dinge van die Here. Laat jy nie hier vandag en morgen sien nie. Baie keer sien ons die lukewarm Christianity evangelist. Een week in die kerk, ander week is die sit in die huis. Halleluja. Een week kom die huis toe voor 4, 2 weke sit in die huis. Dan sien die duivel en word om gauw. Halleluja. En terwijl ons in die huis van die Here waak en bid ons, want ons weet nie die tyd nie. Ons weet nie wanneer hy gaan kom nie. Ons weet nie wanneer hy hier glas inkom nie. Wanneer hy kom al die wat syne is. En hy bevind jy op die verkeerde plek. En hy sê, Here, laat ek aan die en die gedoen. Dan sê, ek ken jou nie. Because jou lig het dim geraak. Jou intimacy het gekwins. Hallelujah. Blessed be the name of the Lord. And the prayer of Moses in Psalms 90 says, Lord, sy begin, hy sê, Lord, it means the highest ever be, or the highest praise to the invisible God. To the invisible God. Hallelujah. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. And he said, Lord, en dan stel die story van Moses. Hoe het Moses in contact gekom met zijn makker. Ons ken die story, ladies and gentlemen. Maar Moses in Psalms 90 said, Lord, the highest praise. What did he say, Lord? You have been our dwelling place and our refuge in all generations. Lord, you have been our dwelling place. Hallelujah. Lord, you have been our dwelling place. Our refuge in all generations. I say, Here is my shelter. He is my beschermder. You have been our refuge. We have dwelt amongst us. All these generations het hy onze beskerm gewees. Onze laag van beskerm. En Moses sê, oh Lord, jy is onze beskermer. Moses says, before the mountains were brought forth, or ever you had formed and given birth to the earth. And the world. Ever from everlasting to everlasting, you are God. Voordat alles gecreëerd is, die bergen, alles wat ons zien vandaag, is hy God. He remains God. Hallelujah. I said, Lord, you are God before everything that you see today. And before the earth, the mountains, the stars, the galaxies, you were God. You were God. And besides you, there is no other God. And that is the fact what Moses said. You turn men back to dust and corruption, and say, return, O son of the earth, to the earth. And he returned those that he created, because there's a time and a place for everything under the sun. A time to be born and a time to die. But Moses said, when God had created you and me, he returned us back to the corruption and say return. En ek en jy weet die corruption wat ek en jy op en af dra. Die carnal man. Wat teenstrydig is die wil en the purpose of God. Ons dra corruption elke dag met ons opstaan. Weet ons dra corruption met ons op en af. But they said, the corruption will go back to the dust from which it will be formed. Hallelujah. For 1,000 years in your sight are but as yesterday when it is past. 1,000 years is like yesterday when it is past. That's the thing is unlimited time for God. God is not limited by time. He said 1,000 years is like yesterday. Hallelujah. 1,000 years is like yesterday when it passed. Or as a watch in the night. Or a watch in the night back in the year. Maar dat was nog niet die kwijt watch draaien. Want in die nacht en lucht reflect en al die cijfers wijzen niet. Dan is je trouble. Dan zien ons die actually die tijd niet. En die tijd past bij en ons kennen die tijd actually. En ons kan het ook niet zeggen. Halleluja. Zoals een dag or 1,000 years with the Lord is like yesterday. It's so short and it's so quick. We can't record it or can't recall it because it's like it's so short. It's like yesterday. But a day and jaar. So for ek en jy, it's this a year thinking. Because men are only destined for 120 years. And as nog 890 years voor. Wat ons nie kan bereik nie. And that is also, it's like yesterday in the sight of the living God. You carry away those disobedient to die within 40 years. As the flood, as with the flood, they are as a sleep, virtue or forgotten as soon as they are gone. It means ek en jy, wanneer ons hier op die aarde is, ons is hier vandag en ons is morgen nie meer hier nie. Halleluja. Ek en jy is vandag hier en morgen is ons weg. En hy praat met Israel for 40 years. They wandered in the desert and many were slaughtered. Baie dood gaan in die woestijn en die promised land gesien. The Bible teaches you and me the promise was made by God for them. But God took them 40 years because of their disobedience. And they were killed like sheep in the desert. Because of disobedience. And the Bible teaches you and me only two entered into the promised land. What God had promised them when they were about how many? About more than 1 million people came out of Egypt, and God had given them the promise that they will enter the promised land. But because of disobedience, because of hearkening unto the will and the divine will of God, they were been slaughtered in the desert like sheep, soon to be forgotten. Hallelujah. Wanneer jy nie die plan is en in die wil is van God nie, dan vergeet mense jou baie gauw. Baie keer, wanneer jy nie die wil is en die plan is nie, or die divine purpose of God, wanneer ons vir jou, dan moet ons vir jou een kopklip opsit, dan mense vergeet jou. Maar wanneer jy die wil van God doen, en obedient is to the will and the purpose of God, dan nodig jy nie een kopklip nie, because people will remember you. Hallelujah. What you have done on the earth, generation after generation, will recall your words and your behavior and your action. Hallelujah. Blessed be the name of the Lord this morning.